You want to be a great English communicator so you can do well at work, but you don't feel you're there. And you're saying things like, I don't have enough vocabulary. People aren't understanding me. I'm not fully understanding them. Well, you're being misled. You're going the wrong direction. If you want to be a good communicator, you have to be like a good communicator in your own language. They don't necessarily use sophisticated language. They don't use complex grammar. What they do is involve and connect with people. They use emotion, they use storytelling, they use strategic pausing, they emphasize their sentences, and most important, they speak to the audience. They know what the audience needs and they solve those problems. That is good communication in English, Spanish, Portuguese, Mandarin. So think about this. Let me know what you think. Here's your bonus. If you're an intermediate or advanced English speaker at this point and you want to become an excellent communicator, get ahead in your career, enter the international job market. Here's your bonus. I am giving away 15-minute Zoom calls with me. Individual, focused on you to assess your get ahead in your career, enter the international English, see where you are, lay out a roadmap so you can get ahead in the global economy. Also, there's another bonus. Do the free quiz. This will give you the roadmap, give you a scorecard of where you are with your business English now. And I will send you a comprehensive report just for you, focused on you. Do these things. They have a lot of value and you can have them for free. There are some caveats. Do the quiz so I can see if you are qualified to move to this next level.